In front of me is HONOR X7d, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto brightness. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Display and Brightness. Now just tap on this switcher next to Automatic located under Brightness slider, and when it's blue, that means that auto brightness is on. To switch it off, click on the same switcher until it's gray. If you decided to not enable it, quick tip, you can always go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner and adjust your brightness manually thanks to this slider whenever you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!